get around to. It's gonna thing I see though.
I mean, honestly, if your mother hadn't been here for the past 3 weeks,
My
it would
mother.
be a
Oh
big
yeah,
deal.
okay, good. Let's talk about my mother. Use her as an excuse.
Yeah, let's talk about your mother. I am sick and tired of her just crashing whenever.
It's my mom.
Yeah, well, you know what? No. I'm just too tired, too hungry to talk about this right now.
Yeah, me too. Hey, you know how I can tell you're so smart and you're so pretty?
How?
It's because you decided to come here.
Oh, thank you. But your mother's still a total